Why is Edward Snowden's statement must not be taken lightly? Watch this video until the end to find out more about Edward Snowden, who said no one will be able to buy Cardano after the 18th of April. It is no secret in the crypto world that in El Salvador, the cryptocurrency Bitcoin became legal tender for the first time, making it the first country in the world to recognize it. So Nayib Bukele, the president of the country, recently introduced legislation to allow the digital currency to be accepted alongside the United States dollar. So in June of 2021, the digital wallet platform company Strike began developing a new financial infrastructure. With this, does Edward Snowden warn ADA holders? And what does it all mean? In today's video, we'll talk all about what Edward Snowden revealed about cryptos and ADA, so be sure to watch the full video. If you're unfamiliar with Edward Snowden, here's a quick overview. In case you are unfamiliar with him, although I doubt it, he dared to disclose state-level confidential data in 2013. His experience as an employee of the National Security Agency and the Central Intelligence Agency led him to expose several British and American mass surveillance programs. In addition to this, Edward Snowden was convicted for treason and several other crimes, but he managed to move to Russia, where he obtained residency rights through asylum and has lived there ever since. Furthermore, Edward Snowden's scandalous revelations have created an interest in the general public and in turn a strong community that supports him. And the most amazing part of it all is that Snowden himself is a fan of blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Cardano, VeChain, etc. Also, we all know that in contrast to some of its predecessors like Bitcoin, which are built on proof of work, the Cardano platform is centered around a proof-of-stake protocol. And because the proof-of-stake protocol is engineered to mine block transactions, the more coins you hold, the more mining power you own. Moreover, Snowden may like this because the protocol is conceptually designed to mine block transactions. Additionally, crypto experts predict that $10 will be reached by 2022. Over the last year, the coin's value increased by 4,200%, making it the third largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of over $33.69 billion. However, the current price of this cryptocurrency in 2022 is down 38% from the year before. Furthermore, Cardano might become one of the big three mainstream cryptocurrencies, according to a top portfolio strategist at Morningstar, a $244 billion asset management company. In a report published by a Business Insider, Amy Arnott, Morningstar's crypto-focused strategist, stated that investors wanting to invest in digital assets want to avoid stomach-churning volatility. In summary, some may find that Cardano is the way to go, since Edward Snowden has a rather optimistic view of the future of cryptocurrency. However, if Bitcoin is to be considered a global benchmark, its creators should put every effort into developing it. Also, Snowden believes Cardano and XRP, which are emerging as a more viable payment solutions, can experience a significant boom in the next few years due to their security and transparency. In addition to this, it is said that the connector for dApps integration is launched by Cardano, and smart contracts remain a major focus for Cardano's platform as it continues to integrate them. Moreover, it was announced about a week ago by Cardano that it had completed the long-awaited Alonzo White hard fork. In parallel to this, the integration phase of the project was getting underway. With smart contract implemented on the Cardano blockchain, developers can build decentralized finance, networked financial services, and decentralized identity on the network. Therefore, adding smart contract support is incredibly important for the network. Continuing this path, Cardano has now launched a connector for dApps in its Yoroi wallet for its integration on the network. This is an important development. Yoroi wallet is made by the commercial arm of Emergo, a solution provider of the Cardano ecosystem. And on the Emergo website, a press release announced the beta release of the connector 4 months ago. Upon using this approach, Cardano and Emergo users can make dApp transactions on the blockchain without encountering any issues. As a result of the connector, the decentralized global operating system will become more applicable to a broader group of people, bringing more people into the decentralized global operating system. Also, the crypto analyst believes that Cardano will reach $2.4 by the end of 2021, making it a good durable asset. Further, there was a prediction that the price of ADA will drop below $1.5 in the next few years. On the other hand, some analysts believe that the best time to incorporate ADA into your crypto wallet is now, and if you already have, it wouldn't be a bad idea to buy even more of this dynamic digital currency. Additionally, investing in crypto over time could benefit you greatly by considering Cardano a great example of a growing project. Because of this, analysts predict that if the currency reaches a new price point, it will likely not decrease and instead will rise in line with the market. Also, investors and strategic thinkers like Edward Snowden like Cardano's team because they are strong and capable. There is only one aspect of Snowden's claim that matters, and that is whether or not cryptocurrency technology like Bitcoin and other blockchains can design competing systems and mechanisms. The purpose of these measures is to combat the threat against privacy posed by powerful agencies and regimes that use powerful surveillance techniques. It was also pointed out by Snowden that the only sustainable solution was to design competing systems that would address all of the problems of the present system while at the same time attracting global consumers. Furthermore, the development process of Cardano is a peer-reviewed process where engineers and academic experts who specialize in blockchain technology and cryptography are ultimately responsible for building it. Meanwhile, Cardano is the type of cryptocurrency that takes long and steady steps to develop, not one that changes rapidly as a result of its peer review process. As Edward Snowden explained, the Cardano approach protects from security issues that could otherwise lead to more serious problems in the future. Nevertheless, what would be the ifs and hows of reclaiming this major level of Cardano? Most altcoins follow the long-term trend of Bitcoin, which always has a massive impact. With regards to Cardano, the downtrend in Bitcoin from its highs near $69,000 has harmed its trend, and ADA has lost nearly 75% of its value since its all-time high, compared to Bitcoin's 40% loss. As we noted last February, buying pressure last month led to the loss of psychological and technical support at $1. So are bulls able to reclaim this level? Following the break of $2.2 on a move south in September last year, the trend has been persistently bearish, and it has since fallen through several levels of support, with $1.2 and $1 being two of the most significant long-term levels. And on the third weekend of March, the chart did not look encouraging for long-term buyers. In July, there was a bullish order block in the $1.1 area. Also, there has been some demand for this area in recent months, but since then buyers have been exhausted. To flip the longer-term bias towards bullish, the $1 level must be broken to begin the upward trend, and a daily chart shows that the price was trading below the 21 and 55 period simple moving averages, the orange and green. Then it showed a strong downward trend, as can also be seen by the series of lower highs. Additionally, a bullish divergence developed in recent days when the price made a series of lower lows and the RSI made higher lows. In this scenario, a minor bounce could occur between 93 cents and 98 cents, which offered some upside liquidity that could be taken advantage of. Such a bounce, however, would only provide another opportunity to sell ADA. In recent months, the OBV has fallen steadily, indicating a lack of demand to overwhelm the sellers and a steady selling volume. And a small bounce toward 93 cents may be seen in the next few days, but the price action and indicators point to ADA's further downside. Until ADA rises past $1 and reaches $1.20, risk-averse investors can opt to wait for a good buying opportunity to rise. However, what is the price predictions on Cardano? According to experts, Cardano's price will reach its maximum in August, trading at $1.51. Further, the expected price growth is approximately 72% until the end of the year. According to estimates, Cardano is expected to grow to $1.72 in the first half of 2023. Then, during the second half of the year, if the estimates are to be believed, the price will increase by $2.11. This means Cardano will experience a growth of 127% compared to its current price. Meanwhile, it is predicted that over the next 6 months, Cardano will reach $2.16 from $2.11 in 2024. According to estimates, it will finish 2024 at $2.29 and will grow 147% from today. Further, Cardano is predicted to trade at a minimum of $3.68 and a maximum of $4.38 by 2025. It is estimated that the average price will be $3.81. Meanwhile, let's see if there are any quick changes in Cardano's price before April 18th. But have you added Cardano already to your investment portfolio? Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.